What's up guys, it's James from Jeeping Adventure, and today I'm going to show you my awesome sway bar disconnects from Rock Crawler and how simple it is to disconnect. And you might be asking, why would you disconnect? That way you can get that articulation that you're looking for out on the trails. But these two little ones are going to help me show you, so let's get started. Alright, so these are so easy to disconnect, even he can do it, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's show him. So we took the pin out. There you go. You're disconnected. Was it hard?
No.
No? Was it pretty easy?
Yes.
You think anybody could do it?
Yes.
Yeah? Do you think this is a good Jeep mod to have?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's so easy, even I can do it.
Alright, well let's see it then.
Why is this hot?
There you go.
Well, that was easy. Got
the pin pulled. Let's see if you can hit it off. There you go. And you're disconnected.
That was easy.
Alright guys, so yeah, it's that easy. It's not difficult at all. Now, as far as actually getting this out of the way, let me show you how I tuck it up and what I do. Alright, so I'm out of zip ties, unfortunately, but I was going to show you how to tie it up. But when I'm out of zip ties, I already have some paracord pre-cut. So let me show you real quick how I kind of do this. So I actually go through this end of the sway bar link and then over the sway bar and tie that up together. Very simply, just doesn't have to be anything fancy. This one's obviously a little long, so this wasn't the one for this, but it would work like that. And then I flip it up like it's caught over here. Flip it up. There you go, just like that. I go around this sway bar, around this mount right here, and boom, and then I tie it up here. So that keeps the sway bar out of the way. Very simple to do, and I haven't had any problems. The one thing that I have had a little bit of problems with is this kind of gets cut after a while, which is a bummer, but it's paracord, so it's cheap and it's really easy to find. But that's how I tie it up to keep it out of the way. That's it for today. So as you saw, it's super easy. Even these two can do it, so they can help me out on the trails, which is awesome, because now it's not all on me and it becomes a family affair, which is fantastic. But like always, give the video a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, and
keep the adventure going.
All right, you heard it from them. Y'all have a great day.